Choosing durable and easy to clean flooring. When it comes to renovating your home or building a new one, choosing the right type of flooring is essential. Not only does it affect the overall look and feel of your space, but it can also have a significant impact on the maintenance and longevity of your floors. In this article, we'll discuss some tips for selecting durable and easy-to-clean flooring options. Consider your lifestyle. The first thing to consider when choosing flooring is your lifestyle. Do you have kids or pets? Do you frequently entertain guests? Do you have a high-traffic area that needs durable flooring? These are all important factors to keep in mind when selecting flooring. For example, if you have kids or pets, you may want to choose a flooring option that is scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Hardwood floors are a popular choice for many homeowners, but they can scratch easily and require regular maintenance. Instead, you may want to consider a more durable option such as luxury vinyl tile (LVT) or porcelain tile. Think about maintenance. Another important factor to consider is the maintenance required for your flooring. Some types of flooring require more maintenance than others. For example, carpeting requires regular vacuuming and deep cleaning to keep it looking and smelling fresh. Hardwood floors need to be polished and refinished every few years. If you're looking for low-maintenance flooring, consider options like LVT or porcelain tile. These types of flooring are easy to clean and require little maintenance. You can simply sweep or vacuum them regularly and mop them occasionally with a mild cleaner. Look for durability. Durability is another crucial factor when choosing flooring. You want a flooring option that can withstand the wear and tear of daily life. This is especially important in high-traffic areas like the kitchen or entryway. Porcelain tile is an excellent choice for high-traffic areas because it is incredibly durable and scratch-resistant. LVT is also a great option because it is highly resistant to scratches, dents, and stains. Both of these flooring options are also waterproof, making them perfect for areas like the bathroom or laundry room. Consider the aesthetics. Finally, you'll want to consider the aesthetics of your flooring. You want a flooring option that looks great with your decor and adds value to your home. There are countless options when it comes to flooring, so take your time to find the perfect fit for your space. Hardwood floors are a classic choice that never goes out of style. They add warmth and character to any room and come in a variety of finishes and stains. LVT and porcelain tile can also mimic the look of hardwood, stone, or ceramic tile, so you can achieve the aesthetic you want without sacrificing durability or maintenance. Conclusion: choosing durable and easy-to-clean flooring is an important decision for any homeowner. By considering your lifestyle, maintenance requirements, durability, and aesthetics, you can find the perfect flooring option for your space. Whether you choose hardwood, LVT, or porcelain tile, investing in quality flooring will add value to your home and make it a more enjoyable place to live.